with this one. Y'all not fucking with this. Dumbass. They ain't fucking with me. Fuck these guys up. Gotcha. They trying it again. Right? Oh, he want to run. I thought he was going to hit the horn. Nigga ain't want to hit the horn on that one. He hit it last time. I want you to hit the horn, you know? Because I ain't got nobody to record. He got his passenger recording. So he can put two hands turned in the corner better. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Now I'm waving at Y'all not fucking with this one. Y'all not fucking with this. Dumbass. Ain't fucking with me. Yeah, they talking big shit. They talking big shit. You ain't fucking with me, dumbass. It's hard when you drive with one hand, man. These niggas gotta pass it. I'll get back over for y'all. Let's do it again. Y'all wanna run that bitch again? What you got? What they got? I love this shit. Y'all know who you fucking with. Oh, alright, now I get the thumbs up. Yeah, okay. That's what I thought. You ain't fucking with me. That's what you fucking Shut your ass up. Burn that ass up. Yeah. Give my motherfucking cars respect. And I'm doing this shit with one hand while recording, nigga. Burn this shit up. Fuck that car, ain't no. Yeah, look at Dickie. Keep eating this shit up. Don't drive like this, nigga. I'm from Baltimore.
Don't drive like us. Yeah, put your shit back to the side so I can eat your shit. Yeah, you hear them pipes chopping shit up. I don't want no smoke. Look at little bro. I don't want no smoke right now. I don't know why BMWs think they fucking with Chevy. I ain't fucking with this Chevy. I ain't fucking with this one. Yeah. Hey, his ass up. He don't want that smoke no more. Yeah, you had that little week, that 1 week pour you had on me. That was it. And that's because we was coming around the corner. I had to slow down. Couldn't handle the car with that much power with one hand. Not the way I was recording. Yeah, but you ain't fucking with me, man. Yeah. Good day, just to remember.